Okay, Andrew, what are you doing?
They're kitten mittens.
You putting mittens on the kitten?
Yes.
Is it because she's too noisy?
Are you make too much noise when you walk.
Oh my gosh. Is she a good
Clomp.
kitty?
Oh.
No, she doesn't like mittens, does she? Is she a good kitty?
She's a good kitty.
Is she?
But she's really not.
No, she's not a good kitty. She's a little shitty, isn't she? Oh, now she's going to clean herself because you touched her.
That's right.
Come, say hi to Grandma. I got the camera on you. Grandma's going to look at this. Okay, that's all you'll do, right? Okay, Grandma, that's all she'll do.